Go, Sammy. Oh, you did it. Look at you.
Yay.
Oh, yes. Sammy, look at how happy you are with yourself. Good boy. Oh, here we go. Come back to Leia. Come
So
on.
we try it the other way.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. What's this? You want to come over here? Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Oh, Daddy, you're mean. He was almost there.
Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Good boy.
Come on, buddy. Come on, you know how to do it, sweetheart. You did it. You just did it. There you go. Little help from Dada. Oh, you're tired. That's it.
You got it?
Come on. Give him the yes. Oh, Daddy. Here we go, Sam. Oh, yes.
Good boy. Good boy, Sam. Yay.
Yes, what a good baby. Oh, nice work. Nice work. Nice work.
Yay.
Yay! Yay! So happy.
That's a good boy. Yes,
And
Sam.
look who else is pleased with herself. Yes, you got that toy off your brother, didn't you? Yay!
Yay.
Yay, good boy. All right, that was very exciting.
Ah.
Very
how about that?
exciting.
That's Sammy crawling for the first time.
Yes, 10 months old, a little more than 10 months. But we knew you had it we knew you had it in you, Sam. There you go. Oh, now get that toy off Leia. And the fun continues. Okay. Bye, everyone. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sammy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Nanny. Bye-bye, Shaw. Little Leia, you got that in your mouth. That's all you need. Okay. See you, everybody.